So let's solve for x and y. X squared minus sy plus y squared equal to 31 is equation 1. And equation 2 is 2x minus 3y equal to 13. Equation 2. So we're going to use either of the equation to make y stand out, to make y stand on its own. So let's use equation 2. Use equation 2 to make y stand on its own. That way, when we have y standing on its own, we can substitute it to solve for x and then finally solve for the main y. So let's use equation 2, which means y will be equal to 2x minus 13 over 3. Equation 2. 2x minus 13 over 3. Y is standing on its own. So wherever we see y, we impute this number. So we use equation 1 to solve, and we impute this for wherever y is. So this is it. S squared minus x, y is now this. 2x minus 13 over 3 is equal to, don't forget, it's not equal to yet. Don't forget this sy plus y squared. And y squared is 2x minus 13 over 3 squared, right? Squared equal to 31. Equal to 31. So what do I mean? I mean this. S squared, we solve it this way. S squared plus this times this minus 2x squared. This times this minus 2x squared. Then this times this minus and minus plus 13x. So we've gotten this over 3 plus this 2x minus 13 over 3 times 2x minus 13 over 3. I won't be solving it here because if I do, it will be so long. This math is going to be a long one. So I will solve it on a different sheet of paper. So, and I pray it doesn't take so much time. I This is what I mean. This 2x minus 13 over 3. To square it, to just be this 2x minus 13, 2x minus 13. So now we times 2x, this will times this minus 13. So this 2x will times this. Then minus 13 will times this also. Minus 13. That's what it means to factorize that. This times this is 4x squared minus this times this minus 26x. This times this minus 26x again. And minus 13 minus 13 minus minus is plus. 13 times 13, 169. So the answer is minus 26 plus minus 26 is minus 52x plus 169. So this is the answer. I solved it here so that we don't make this one long and we don't get it confusing. So this is what we just be imputing for this. 4x squared minus 552x plus 169. 169. Don't forget that we actually have 3 here. We had our 3 here. So just 3 times 3 is 9. So just be over 9. To just be over 9. So that's that for that. And let's not forget that we have our 31. about 31 there. So what do we do next? Now we have this. What do we do? Now we'll have our 2x. We'll look for our LCM, the LCM for 3 and 9. LCM for 3 and 9 is 9. LCM for 3 and 9 is 9. So we'll be multiplying through by 9. Multiply through by 9. And this is what I mean. Then we'll be multiplying through by 9. Let's not forget that 9x. So when we have 9, the LCM is 9. We're multiplying by 9. So 9 times this. We're multiplying everything by 9. So 9 times this will be 9s squared plus 9 will also times this. So 9s squared plus 9 minus 2x minus 2s squared plus 13x over 3 plus 9 will also be here. 9 will also multiply this, which will be 4x squared minus 52x, 52, which will be 52x plus 169 equal to 31. Equal to 31. 31, yeah. It's so long. So long, but this is just one I have here, 31. 31. So now what do we do next? Let's not forget our 9 here. So 9 will divide this to have 3. 3 divide this 3. 9 divide this 1. So now we're left with 9s squared. 3 times this. Plus times minus will become minus. We don't even need our brackets again. So it becomes minus 6s squared. 6s squared. This times this. It becomes plus. This times this becomes plus 39. That should be 39. 3 times 13, 39x. Then plus, we'll bring this 4x squared minus 52x plus, don't forget that 9 will also times this. 9 will be timesing this too. This will be times 9 also. So now 159 plus 169 equal to 39 times 1 is 279. So let's do this. Let's arrange it. The squares. This. 9s squared minus 6s squared plus 4s squared. 9s squared minus 6s squared is 3s squared plus 4s squared is 7s squared. And then we have the s, just one single s, plus 39 minus 52 will be what? Will be minus 13. Minus 13s. Now what do we have left? We have 169 and this. So this will be coming over here. 169 minus this. 169 minus this will be minus 110 equal to 0. So this is what we'll have after arranging and doing our addition and subtraction. We'll be left with this. So now to solve this, we'll have 7s squared minus, we need two numbers that when you add or subtract them, you will have 13. Two numbers. The two numbers I have is plus 22x minus 35. Because plus 22 minus 35 will give you minus 13. And always make sure that the second number your second number should have something to do with this number. This is what I mean. This 5 can divide this and 5 can divide this. So that will make it easy for you. So when we have this, now be minus 1 and 0 equal to 0. So now what do we have in common in these two numbers? We have x, because this times this times this. Then minus, what do we have in common? I said 5. And 5 times what will give us 35? 7. 5 times what will give us this? 22. Minus minus is plus, equal to 0. So now x minus 5 is equal to 0, or x minus 5 equal to 0, or 7x plus 22. 7x plus 22 is equal to 0. So it means x will be equal to, this minus going this way becomes just 5, or s will become, here will be, s will be 7x plus 22 going the other way becomes 0 minus 22. We divide both sides by 7, and we'll be left with s is equal to minus 22 over 7. So now s is 5 and s is minus 22 over 7. So now let's solve for y. We have our x. Let's solve for y. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please support me by subscribing. Please subscribe, share, like. I promise to always bring you better content. Please. So after we're done with this, let's solve for our y. We've gotten our s. Time to solve for our y. Let's not forget that our x is equal to 5 and s is equal to minus 22 over 7. Let's not forget also that our y, when we made y standard, we had 2x minus 13 over 3. 2x minus 13 over 3. So wherever we see x, we'll put 5. Y equal to 2 times 5 minus 13 over 3, which is 10 minus 13 over 3. 10 minus 13 is minus 3 over 3. So y is minus 1. Don't forget to, s has two values, so y should have two values. Now this is the first value for y. This is when x is 5, y is minus 1. Now when s is minus 2, minus 22 over 7, becomes 2. We use this same equation again. 2 times. Now x, we'll be imputing this for 6, for x, not this. Minus 22 over 7 minus 13 over 3. So this times this, minus 44 over 7 minus 13 over 3. And when you're minus 44, when you solve this fraction, your answer would be minus 135 over 7. This 3, we need to bring it up, and to bring it up, it becomes 1 over 3. 3 divide this, 45. Becomes 45. So the second value for y is minus 45 over 7. So when x is 5, y is minus 1. And when s is minus 22 over 7, y is minus 45 over 7. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. And please don't forget to also watch my YouTube shorts. I have beautiful content there. Thank you.